Lazy, which means lying lazy all the time. But this rotten behavior, it would never happen to today's protagonist. Flame gardener bird, a magical creature with a mouth on its face. It was infuriating that God gave him a mouth. I also gave him a good voice, by the way. Let's stop here today. The flame gardener bird has a mission today. It's about showing your grace. Pursuit of the princess in the forest. Let's exchange and reproduce art together. I want to capture the prince's heart. You need a room. The gardener will find many sticks to decorate his nest, to showcase their talents. Decorating a house is a very troublesome task. How troublesome is it? It's done anyway. This stick is a bit big. It's okay to change the angle. It seems that he can't use such a big size. Build a house. Get some fruit for decoration. I just finished it here. The princess arrived at the smell. Hurry up and say hi. Do you have a car? Nope. Do you have a room? Here we go. Are you sick? Of your lovesickness. This is the animal kingdom. You fool. Can you dance? Yes. Shake it up. Okay. Scratch your head and get down. Female flame gardener bird. Successfully moved by the male bird's sass. See this scene. The male comes into the arms of the female. It was shaking. Under impact, the female bird finally loses control. The male seizes the opportunity. Perfect end. Hot summer. Dancing and working. The male bird is sweating profusely at the moment. Because summer is always hotter than winter.